Most people buy SUVs for the wrong reasons: flashy ads, fake promises, and features that break before the warranty even ends. But mechanics, they know the truth. They see every breakdown, every failed transmission, every repair bill that drains people dry. And that's why their recommendations are priceless, because they don't care about trends. They care about what survives. Today, I'm revealing 12 SUVs that mechanics themselves personally recommend. These aren't just cars, they're survival machines. If you're tired of wasting money, tired of being lied to, and you want an SUV that lasts for decades instead of years, then listen closely. Because once you know what the mechanics know, you'll never fall for the trap again. SUV number 1. Toyota 4Runner. When mechanics talk about SUVs that refuse to die, the Toyota 4Runner is always at the top. Why? Because it's not built to impress, it's built to endure. Most SUVs these days are overstuffed with fragile electronics, luxury gimmicks, and paper-thin parts designed to fail. The 4Runner laughs at that. Mechanics say it's like a tank, straightforward, rugged, and designed for decades of punishment. Now, most people will ignore it because it doesn't have that brand new futuristic look. But that's the trap. Shiny doesn't equal reliable. Mechanics know if you buy a 4Runner, your future self will thank you when it's still running strong at 300,000 miles. SUV number 2, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is like that quiet friend who never brags, but always shows up when you need them. Mechanics recommend it because they rarely see it in the shop. And that's the real measure of quality cars that don't need constant fixing. Compare that to the flashy SUVs that look good for the first year, then bleed you with repair bills. The CR-V isn't about showing off, it's about peace of mind. Every time you turn that key, it starts. Every time you drive, it delivers. Mechanics know reliability isn't loud, it's silent. And that's exactly why the CR-V has earned its legendary reputation. SUV number 3, Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is mechanics' answer to people who want both family comfort and long-term reliability. Most family SUVs get abused. Kids, road trips, cargo, weather, everything. That's why mechanics say most popular SUVs don't last past 100,000 miles without constant problems. But the Highlander? It's engineered to take the abuse. Transmission, engine, suspension, built like a fortress. And that's why mechanics personally trust it for their own families. If you want an SUV that will outlive your kids' school years, the Highlander is the obvious choice. SUV number 4, Lexus GX. Mechanics describe the Lexus GX as luxury with a hidden backbone. Unlike most luxury SUVs that crumble under their own technology, the GX is secretly built on Toyota's bulletproof platform. That means you get both comfort and indestructibility. People buy German luxury SUVs thinking they'll last. Mechanics laugh at that. Repairs cost thousands, and problems never stop. But the GX? It gives you quiet luxury without sacrificing reliability. That's why mechanics whisper about it like a secret weapon. SUV number 5, Subaru Outback. Mechanics like the Subaru Outback for one big reason. It survives in places where most SUVs fail. Snow, mud, mountain roads, the Outback was built for it. Most SUVs are just tall cars pretending to be tough, but the Outback is a fighter. Mechanics say it's one of the rare SUVs where people don't complain about breakdowns, but praise its endurance. If you live where the weather is harsh, this is the SUV mechanics trust. SUV number 6, Toyota Land Cruiser. The Land Cruiser is not just an SUV, it's a global survival machine. Mechanics will tell you, this is the SUV that refuses to die, no matter where you take it. Desert, jungle, mountains, the Land Cruiser dominates. And that's why in many countries, the Land Cruiser is the official choice for military, explorers, and even remote rescue teams. People who don't understand cars will look at its price and think it's too much. But mechanics know this is an SUV you buy once, and it serves you for life. SUV number 7, Mazda CX-5. Mechanics appreciate the Mazda CX-5 because it's proof you don't need to spend big money for reliability. While most affordable SUVs are cheap traps, the CX-5 punches way above its price point. Solid engine, reliable transmission, minimal problems. It's the kind of SUV mechanics quietly respect. People chasing status might ignore it, but those who choose it end up saving thousands. Mechanics know value when they see it, and the CX-5 delivers. SUV number 8, Hyundai Santa Fe. Recent models. Now here's where things get interesting. Mechanics used to warn people away from Hyundai years ago, but recently, the Santa Fe has earned their nod of approval. Why? Because Hyundai has started building with longevity in mind. Simpler engines, durable components, and far better reliability than before. Mechanics see fewer of them breaking down, which means they pass the test. It's a reminder. SUV number 9. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is mechanics' definition of set it and forget it. It doesn't try to be flashy. It doesn't try to overcomplicate things. It simply works year after year, mile after mile. Mechanics see people driving their RAV4 second well past 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Compare that to the trendy SUVs constantly choking on repairs, and the choice is obvious. If you want your SUV to outlive trends, this is it. SUV number 10. Chevrolet Tahoe. Mechanics recommend the Tahoe because it's built to handle punishment-heavy loads, towing, long distances. While many American SUVs crumble with age, the Tahoe has proven itself time and time again. Mechanics like it because the parts are accessible, repairs aren't overly complicated, and it just keeps going. If you want something powerful that won't constantly sit in the shop, the Tahoe has mechanics' respect. SUV number 11. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is one of the most popular luxury SUVs in history, and mechanics know exactly why. Unlike its competitors, the RX is a Toyota at heart, which means reliability first, luxury second. Most luxury SUVs are nightmares to maintain, but the RX? Mechanics know it's the luxury that doesn't betray you. That's why so many of them recommend it to people who want comfort but also want peace of mind. SUV number 12. Jeep Wrangler, but only with proper care. Now, mechanics don't recommend every Jeep, but the Wrangler is special. Properly maintained, it's a beast that no terrain can stop. Mechanics like it because it's simple, customizable, and built with real off-road DNA. But here's the catch: they only recommend it to drivers who take maintenance seriously. Ignore it, and it punishes you. Respect it, and it rewards you. Mechanics call it the wild card SUV because it's as tough as the owner allows it to be.